It's snowing a lot more than we expected. So we're gonna go and sled today. And this is a big deal. I hate the cold. I hate the snow. So I'm gonna take the kids out. This is probably the last time that it will snow like this for the season. So here we go. Come sit. You don't want to go sledding?
Yeah, I don't want to go sledding.
Okay. Yay! Good job! Okay, Layla, let's send you down the same path. There's a path now. You don't want to go sledding, but you'll do that?
Mama, don't look, you gotta go on the path.
Liz is ruining the hill for all the future sledders. You ready again?
Yeah.
Good job bringing your sled back up. Ready, set, go! Woo!
I want to go with this one.
Hopefully it works.
Yeah, hopefully it does.
Yeah, sit on the back of it.
But why?
So that the front stays up so it doesn't cut into the snow. It'll stay on top of it. Oh, ready,
Mama,
set.
get set, go. Just give me a really hard push.
A really hard one?
On the back.
1, 2, 3. A little bit better. That one must be for something else instead of sledding. Let's go. What? I know, I meant let's go down the hill again. Ready? Set. Go. Okay, I'm gonna go down now. Okay, watch out, Lexi. All right, Layla, you ready to give me a push? Everybody, 1, 2, 3. Oh, there we go! Bye!
Mommy, and watch. There we go.
Are you eating snow? Liz, do you want to go to the other part of the park where the hill is a lot bigger?
Yeah. Wait up!
She's waiting. Normally she doesn't. It's getting windy, so windy up here, so we'll see how long the kids last. One more reason why I don't like the cold. This is probably like 3 to 4 times steeper than the other side was. What?
I'm a sled.
Okay. Okay, you ready? Set.
Go.
Oh, we need to make a trail. Okay, you ready? You're gonna go down the same trail.
Okay.
Okay, Liz, come here. You ready to push? 1, 2, 3.
I'm not.
Oh, good. She made a longer trail. Oh, only by a little bit. Okay, Liz, do you want to do it?
No.
Okay, let me try. Ready? Here we go! Woo! Make trail longer. Keep going, go. Yes, I'm going all the way down. I'm going all the way down. That's a long walk. That's the worst part, having to walk back up the hill. Here comes Liz. Ooh, my bum's getting wet. This is the best park in the area for sledding. The problem is it gets destroyed so fast because so many people want to come and sled. And then the sun melts it and it's just gone. Hey, and this. Liz, you're messing up the trail. Don't walk on the trail. You ready?
Yeah.
Set.
Go.
Go. All the way down. All the way down. Ooh, it kind of curves. She did a roll. She rolled over. Ready, set,
Go.
go. The trail has a curve in it. Kind of fun.
Don't slide on me.
Don't slide you. Why?
Because.
This sledding. We're sledding. This also says that it's for the snow.
I know. Don't slide on me.
Chances are you're not going to sled because the sled's not that good. But we'll try, and then I'll just pull you home, okay? Body glove, come on. Your sled doesn't work.
Mama.
What?
I want your shot.
Okay.